Hey, fellow creators. Today I want to chat with you about the secrets to rocking it on YouTube. Whether you're a seasoned content creator or just starting out, these tips will set you on the path to success. Finding your niche. First things first, find your groove. What are you passionate about? What makes you tick? YouTube's success starts with creating content you love, and that resonates with your audience. So, figure out your niche. Whether it's gaming, cooking, or DIY adventures. Do a search for keywords relevant to your niche. Tools like vidIQ are excellent for keyword research. Quality content rules. Now, let's talk content. It's not about quantity, it's about quality. Invest time in planning, scripting, and editing your videos. Great content keeps your audience hooked, gets them subscribing, and most importantly, brings them back for more. A quote from Mr. Beast: "Make 100 videos and improve with each one. Improve the script, improve the video, and improve the thumbnail." Consistency is a game changer. Consistency matters. Don't just post whenever, set a schedule. Whether it's weekly or bi-weekly, stick to it. Consistency builds anticipation and trust with your audience. It shows them you're serious about your craft. Continue doing this for 6 months and you will see growth. Engage with your crew. Your subscribers are more than just numbers. They're your crew. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and get social on social media. Building a community is a two-way street, so show some love and you'll get it back. Listen to your audience, they are your focus group. Get discovered with Smart SEO. Let's talk discovery. Optimize your titles, descriptions, and tags with keywords relevant to your content. Make yourself easy to find. Being searchable is as important as being shareable. Don't use more than 3 tags in your title and no more than 15 tags per video. YouTube has publicly stated they will ignore all tags if there are more than 15 per video. Collaborate and expand your horizons. Collaborate. Work with other creators in your niche, share audiences, and cross-promote. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and introduce you to a broader audience. Don't underestimate the power of collaboration. Metrics. Becoming too focused on metrics will give you tunnel vision. Concentrate on making your content better with each video. Views, subscribers, and likes will come in time. In a nutshell, the YouTube journey is about passion, consistency, and engaging with your audience. Enjoy the ride, stay true to yourself, and put in the work. We're rooting for you, so go ahead, create, grow, and thrive on YouTube. Until next time, subscribe, like, and stay creating.